Hi everybody, hope you are doing well. Hope your preparation is in full swing. In this video, we are going to analyze VARC section of CAT 2020 slot 2. So let's get started. Before we begin, let me quickly introduce myself. My name is Juhi Narula. I've done my bachelor's in technology and master's in business administration. I have 12 years of experience in training students for CAT, GMAT, and GRE. I also happen to be a life skills coach and a content creator. This is the Telegram channel. You can please join the Telegram channel so that you get the latest notifications about the upcoming sessions and classes which I take both on YouTube and also on the app. Apart from the wonderful sessions that we offer you on YouTube, we also have two subscription plans for you, which we call Plus and Iconic. So in Plus, there are live classes. So there will be no recorded sessions. There would be live mentoring done for you. There are weekly evaluations, tests, quizzes, and regular doubt sessions. Apart from this, you can download the study material. Also, there is unlimited access to the sessions, which means that you've enrolled for one particular batch. You can attend as many batches and as many courses as you would want. Also, the courses are structured. So, all these are very important parameters which help you perform well in competitive exams like CAT. Apart from our Plus subscription, we have another interesting subscription in our kitty to offer you, which we call Iconic. So, in Iconic, you get all the benefits of Plus. Apart from this, there would be personal guidance provided. There would be a study planner which would be made exclusively for you by doing bi weekly reviews. So, it is entirely customized, meeting your requirements. Also, there is one on one live mentoring. Apart from this, there would be detailed test analysis. I'm sure if you're watching the video, you must have realized the importance of detailed analysis. In fact, progress of scores in mocks usually happen if we are rigorous in our analysis. So that's an important feature of our Iconic subscription. Also, there is expert guidance which is provided. So there are regular study booster workshops by exam experts who help you with exam strategies so that you can perform well, you are able to handle pressure and come out with flying colors. So you can choose the Plus subscription or the Iconic one. The fees for 6 months for Plus subscription would be 16,400. For 18 months, it would be 28,550. And for 24 months, it is going to be 32,800. If you go for Iconic, the immense benefits I've already explained. For 6 months, the fees is 25,800. So if you'll see, it just comes out to be 4,300. You can consider it as an investment that you're doing for your own future self. For 12 months, the fees is 39,500. And if you go for 24 months, there is a 42% discount. So the fees comes out to be 59,999. You can use my code JNLife10 to get an additional 10% off on any of the subscriptions. The same code can be used to unlock the special classes on the app. So you can go to the Play Store, you can download An Academy's app and unlock the classes using the code JNLife10. The same code can be used to participate in the combats, which are tests that happen every Sunday on the app. So let's get started. Now, when we talk about slot 2, I'm sure you must have seen the analysis of slot 1 also for CAT 2020 VARC section. There was not a major change that happened if you'll compare it with slot 1. The section was lengthy, and as expected, reading comprehension played a pivotal role. So there were four comprehensions that students got. In totality, 18 questions came from reading comprehension. So out of four passages, it would be your judgment to solve three, which would help you get a great percentile. Intelligent picking of questions and passages also is very crucial. I always lay emphasis on the fact that just knowing the concepts would not work. If you want to crack exams like CAT, your test taking strategies should be perfect. So if you are able to identify that what are those three passages that are going to work for you, your life is sorted. The time provided was 40 minutes, as we all know. There were 20 MCQs. So when we talk about MCQs, there was negative marking, +3 and -1. That's how the score pattern worked. However, with non-MCQs, which are type in the answer, so in that case, there are no answer choices provided. The only thing that you need to do is type in the answer. So there was no negative marking. That definitely comes with this hidden rule that you have to attempt all the questions which are type in the answers. For reading comprehensions, like I said, there were MCQs. So two passages had 5 questions and two passages had 4 questions each. So in totality, like I said before, there were 18 questions. Rest 8 questions came from the verbal ability portion. So there was no major surprises thrown in the CAT format in 2020. Now, if we specifically talk about the reading comprehension portion, the first passage was Piracy in International Waters. Easy to read passage. I would not say that's going to take a lot of effort, but the catch was in the types of questions that you encountered. Please understand that decoding the questions was challenging in this year's CAT papers. So you need to pay a lot of emphasis in rightly understanding the question. I always make my students understand this fact that the question acts as a bridge between the paragraph and the answer choices. So your absolute understanding of the question will really help you reach to the correct answer. So at times there are words like accept, nonetheless, undermine, a perfect mix of reading comprehension and reasoning that you would see in CAT questions, and that's how the difficulty level increases. One is you complicate the question so that it becomes tricky for the student to understand, and the next would be that make the answer choice close. So when we see two answer choices and both are being reflected from the passage, then you might get confused, as you might find both of them to be equally correct, which would be the case, but you need to see that the correct answer would be the one that helps us answer the question. So you need to understand the importance of the question in the entire scenario. The moment you undermine the importance of the question, you would be in a tricky position, and that's not at all recommended. The second was based on renewable energy technologies. We had 5 questions coming out from it. The third was an interesting one, the study of visual culture. Some students found it difficult to read. Then the last was on aggression, theories, and models. So this was again an interesting passage, depends what remains to be your personal order of difficulty. So you can choose the passage which helps you perform well, right? So you should play as per your strengths always in exams. Effective selection will definitely help you get a better score. So the difficulty, like I said, was moderate to difficult. You can't put the questions under the easy category. The difficulty level, of course, was challenging to meet the CAT standards. Further, if we talk about the verbal ability portion of CAT 2020 slot 2, we had parajumbles. Parajumbles were of 4 sentences. So there were 4 statements that you had to rearrange. And these were the TETA questions. Now you have to be very smart while you're doing parajumbles, because see, understand this, that when options are there, parajumbles become easy to solve, but when the options are not there, there is a lot of pressure while dealing with parajumble questions. So try to read and reason out together. This is very important. And while we are doing odd one out questions, please keep in mind that if you are facing any struggle, try to rearrange the sentences. So, since the subject matter is similar, it would be tricky to find the odd one out question. That's how it the difficulty level raises, and that's how it has been incorporated in CAT. So you need to understand the game, that you try and rearrange the statements. One that doesn't fit the context, you will be able to easily pick that. If you take it as a parajumble plus odd one out question. So you had 2 questions. Again, these two belong to TETA category. Now, when we talk about summary questions, there were 3 questions and these were MCQs. Parajumble's difficulty level was medium to difficult. Out of context questions were easy to medium, so they were easy to crack. Summary questions again were not very difficult. So, in totality, the catch would be, the crux would be that you should solve all the questions which are TETA based, right? So since there is no negative marking, you are brightening your chances to get a better percentile. And out of the 4 passages, so if even if you're able to attempt 13 to 14 questions in reading comprehension, you have a good chance to crack the verbal portion of CAT. So I hope you found the discussion useful. It's high time that you keep your spirits high and you stay very optimistic towards your goal, right? So most of the times we lose battles because we are not emotionally strong. So clinch to hope and give your best shot. Also, there is one mock that is still remaining in our series that is happening on 14th November from 12:30 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. So go ahead and enroll for this mock. There would be live in-depth analysis. There would be accurate and complete test performance report. You will be able to benchmark yourself against CAT aspirants across the country. There would be strategy sessions with top percentilers. So students who have cracked CAT, you will be able to get a better understanding. Probably they'll be able to give you better guidance as to how to cope up with the pressure and what should be strategically done inside the examination hall. Also, there would be high quality video solutions for every question. So to enroll, you can use the code JNLife10. Apart from this, if you are planning to go for other management entrance tests, you can go for the subscription. You can use the code JNLife10 to get a 10% off. So keep working hard, stay consistent. God bless you. All the best. Rock on.